go. What is going on, guys? Let me know in the chat if you can hear and see me. We had a little bit of technical difficulties as we do sometimes. So I just want to make sure you guys can hear me. Everything is glitchy right now, lol, including Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is glitchy. I just want to make sure before we start. Boom. All right. Beautiful. We are live. Thank you, Brian. Brian from Meta Money. Give me a hand here with the stream. Guys, hey, welcome to the stream, guys. Hate to come to you, in these trying times, but Frankie Candles has got your back. Here we are, 11:57 p.m. here in Atlanta, Georgia, and we're coming to you live during this Bitcoin dump. Let me. How we doing, guys? 23 people in chat. Let's go. 9 likes. Who we got? Oh, Captain Kirk. What's going on? Matt, welcome. Cultivating Craftsman, welcome. Crypto Tammy, how are you? Good to see you again. Love De Niro, Chuck. Crypto AK, what is going on, guys? What is going on? All right, yeah. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this. So let's pull up my screen here real quick. Boom. Okay, guys. Oh boy, look at that. I know we are dumping. I know this is a little scary, but we knew this was coming, right? We talked about this earlier tonight. We lost this golden pocket area. We did get that blood diamond on the 4-hour, right? And then it was actually Atom that we were looking at. Good old Cosmos over here. Where are we? Cosmos. Let me see here. There it is. Okay. So let's see. Okay, yeah, so we did have the blood diamond. We noticed the 4-hour, 15-minute strategy playing out, almost perfectly, on Atom, which, we had 3 confirmations. We had a nice little trigger wave. We had the 4-hour VWAP crossing down over the 0 line, and we also had the money flow on the 15-minute coming into the red. So we were talking about that at the end of the stream. I hope some of you were able to see that. Never financial advice, but I just like to show you guys what I see on the charts. What you do with that information is totally up to you. But I personally will let you know that I did get into a short on Atom and Bitcoin, and I wound up getting over 100% on both of those. But let's come on back over to Bitcoin, right? So actually, you know what? Let's go FaceTime here. Let's go FaceTime. So listen. So you guys probably saw that we did get that news. I'm not 100% exactly what was said by Putin, but it seems like the situation is worsening over there, which does, I was watching the charts as I do all the time. I leave the stream, I come home, I just keep staring at the charts, right? So I was, watching my trades, seeing that we were just started pouring, right? We just started falling like rocks. And, I was like, let me just hop on Twitter. This is like, I think this might be a little more than just a really good 4-hour, 15-minute strategy setup. So I went on Twitter and I saw that, I guess it was just then. It said 2 minutes ago. I don't know exactly when it was said, but on Twitter, the post I saw seemed like it happened just then. Putin came on and said, I don't want to get too much into it, but it does seem like the situation is worsening over in the Ukraine. So that does seem like that could be the reason for this giant drop. But, I am happy that we were able to call this earlier on the stream, and you guys will know, if you are not tuning in for the first time, you will know that we have our eyes on, let me get rid of this fib real quick. And this line right here, you guys will know that, I did say I expected to come down, possibly get a stop, a little pit stop at this, 35.8-ish area, wound up, or was it? I don't think it was actually that level. I think it was more 30. Where was that level? I am on, hang on one second, guys. I'm going to swap over my chart. Oh, you guys can't even see my screen. Sorry, new setup. This is the home setup. We're just getting this going. I'm using OBS and not vMix, so it's a little different. Just bear with me real quick while I want to log into a different trading view account that has Give me 1 second. But guys, let me know in chat. How are you feeling about this dump? Why do you think we're dumping currently? And where do you think we can stop? And we're gonna get deep into it, and I'm gonna let you know exactly what I think. Okay. All right. Let me just refresh. Sorry, just getting TradingView all up and ready. Guys, tonight's energy is brought to you by this energy drink. No, I'm just kidding. It's bubbly. It's seltzer. It's water. I'm not messing around with that Red Bull at 12 o'clock at night. But we're here with the bubbly to bring you guys this, breaking Bitcoin news. Okay. All right, let me go ahead and share my screen. Boom. Okay. So here we are. Here we go. Here's all my lines. There we go. As I was saying, we were expecting this drop. We did have this support line at about 35.5. This thicker blue line right here. Let's come over to a little bit longer time frame here. Yes, and we are at the 786 fib level at that, just around there. I was expecting, maybe a little hang up right here, but we did break down. And look at that, guys. We were calling for this spider line right here. This price is about 34,000, right? So it was in the title. It was in the title this morning. I'm sorry. It feels like this morning this evening. It was in the title. Could we go to 34K? So this is the spider line that we are watching, and look at that, guys. Look how close we came. Who knows? We could come down still and come down a little deeper. But let me pull up Adam now real quick, just because that was kind of what pointed it out to me. So here you go. We were looking at the 15-minute. I think someone asked if I could look at Adam real quick right at the end of the stream, if I remember correctly. So we just took a look at it. We happened to be on the 15-minute, right? I saw that we were coming down from the green into the red with the money flow. Said, just kind of thought to myself, that's, you can catch a nice little scalp on these a lot of the time. As you can see, when you come from the green into the red, you do have these drops. So I was like, that's could be a possible short opportunity, right? But we like to have confirmation. So I did take our vertical line here. This is the sauce, guys. I've given you the midnight sauce. Welcome to the midnight sauce session with Frankie Candles here, and I don't have my jar of sauce, so I can't even drink it. I'm sorry. For those of you who are new to the stream, I lost a challenge, and I had to drink a bunch of jarred macaroni sauce. So we took our vertical line, right, and we put it right at the money flow, not VWAP, the money flow crossover from green to red right here. And then I said, let's check the 4-hour, because if that VWAP is coming down at the same time, that could make for a very good short trade. So we went to the 4-hour and look at that right on the VWAP crossover. Plus we had this little tiny momentum wave at the top. We talked about this a lot recently on the stream. These little waves typically do end with really big, movements either to the downside or to the upside. So I had that little confirmation. We had the 4-hour, 15-minute strategy confirmation, and then we did have this blood diamond. So just confirmations everywhere. If you come to the 15-minute, we were dealing with, we were coming down, and we did get yellow X's. So just lots of confirmation there. And obviously Bitcoin as well. I was saying that it does look, because of this 3-day blood diamond, guys, you can't make this up. I said it definitely has the power to bring us down to 34K. And here we are, just coming down, wanting to touch this 34K area, smash right through this resistance, holding it, on the 3-day. Obviously it looks a little bit different, but if you zoom in, we did lose it. And we were trying to fight back right now. Let's come down to the 15-minute. As you can see, we're trying to retest a little bit. If I had to guess, I think this VWAP is going to come down, and I think we still have room to go. Let me check chat real quick. Let me pull chat to the other side of my screen. Let me pop it out, minimize this. Bada boom. Okay. Let's see chat right here. Heard there was an explosion. Yeah. Aramis. Hopefully I pronounced your name right again. Yeah, I heard the same thing. Shorts print so much faster than longs. Yeah, I know. Yeah, Aramis, you're right. You're right. The short money comes in fast. The short money comes in fast, right? The pumps are fun, but oof, I don't know if it's because gravity's on your side with the shorts or what, but yeah, it does seem that the short money comes in a bit faster. China and Taiwan news, and also the Russia and Ukraine news. Yeah, guys, the U.S. dollar is going up. That's why we are dumping. Yeah, I mean, definitely this Russia thing. We got a lot of, like I say this on the stream a lot recently. We have a lot of worldly factors. We have a lot of worldly factors going on that are affecting the prices right now. Let's see. We expecting to keep dumping with that 3-week blood diamond. 3-week blood diamond. I think you might mean 3-day blood diamond. Yes, definitely possible. These have brought us down 50% in the past, and the current pain measurement is, a mean 18%. I mean, this blood diamond has brought us down about 18%, but with the possibility of, this one back here has brought us back. This is what started the May dump, brought us down about 50%. So, I mean, well, I mean, it doesn't mean that it has to bring us down 50%, right? But I knew it was going to have at least the juice in it to bring us down to this 34K level. But short answer to that question is yes, it has the power to bring us down further. Let's see. Dumping over uncertainty. Yeah. Crypto AK. Yes, absolutely. How's the audio, guys? I think last time I streamed from home, the audio was a little janky. Just let me know if you're having troubles. Thoughts on descending broadening wedge for Bitcoin 8-hour XRP. We can take a look at that. I like your name, XRP with a little ETH logo. So repping ETH and XRP. I can get down with both of that. Why is Luna pumping when everything's down, right? So Luna's been looking good on the charts recently. So, sometimes altcoins, sometimes it's Atom, sometimes it's Polkadot, sometimes it's Luna, sometimes, sometimes the alts are just acting weird, right? But sometimes you do see the altcoins just not care about the Bitcoin dump. Thank God it's only 9 p.m. on the West Coast. Let's go, Crypto AK. Got you a little early today. Let's go. It's a juicy buy at the moment, Captain Kirk. Yeah, I would be careful. I would be careful buying right here. I'm not saying it's not a juicy time to buy. I mean, this is cheap Bitcoin, but just be careful if this blood diamond does wind up taking us down more. As long as you're not betting the whole farm at this price, I think you're fine. But just be really careful. Let's see. It will dump more when London market opens. Just my opinion. Yeah, Crypto Nana. I'm curious to see what happens overnight. See if we can come down more, when the other markets wake up. Let's see. Do you have a video on how to use futures? I have watched several, but still don't get it. I use KuCoin. Betty, so I trade with, if you go, I have a Femex tutorial. I show you how to trade with leverage. I do a whole walkthrough. Check out all the videos on the channel if you're interested. We've gotten good feedback on the videos. People are saying I'm explaining it explain it in a way that's easy to understand. So definitely check that out. And if you want to sign up for Femex, link in the description below. Or actually, I'm sorry. We rushed this stream out. There is no description. But if you go to any of my other videos, the Femex link is in the description. If you want to go through my referral link, I think you save some money, and it helps me out. So win-win situation. But yeah, check out that Femex tutorial. It should help you out. How can I do a 4-hour, 15-minute technique in regular trading view? So I use Market Cypher. That's kind of what the strategy is based off of. So you might be able to figure out a different way to do it, but I use Market Cypher, so that's basically what I use. KP Frankie's back. How low can it go? I think we could come pretty low. I don't know if it's going to happen right now, but let's come down to a lower time frame so we can get a better eye on what's going on. Let's go to the 15-minute. Those degen, here we go, guys. Look, yellow X. I've been talking about these yellow X's. They've been popping up. They're money. Look at this one on the 15-minute. Bada boom, 6%. You throw 10x leverage on that. That is 66% profit in your pocket. Frankie's roommates are the real winners. Just marinating with the sauce boss. Let's go. You can marinate. I almost said some weird stuff there. But yeah. We got good roommates here. They're just marinating in the sauce. I think DZ's bedroom is actually right above me. So that's, if you guys notice, trying to keep the energy up, but trying to keep the voice down a little bit. Don't want to wake anybody up. But yeah, I had to come live. I had to come, give you guys the updates. Obviously we did call this young boy. Don't worry. I'll hold your hand. You're okay. Frankie Candles is here. Don't worry. I did just want to come live and give you guys an update on what I thought and just touch on what we talked about on the stream and just kind of reinforce to you guys that when we're looking at the charts on the stream and we're talking about what we think we can see, I think you guys really are absorbing a lot of the stuff that we're showing. But this stuff does play out, right? I really did think we were going to take a little stop here, but this was the main target, and we're getting close, right? Little, this is not a very strong pump. I think this VWAP will come back down, maybe on stream, and we could come down and touch this spider line and possibly break it. We'll have to see. Let's see, chat. It's fine, and you're doing great, Crypto Tammy. I appreciate you. I keep looking this way for the camera because that's the way it is in the studio, but my camera's actually right here. Hey guys, maybe I should move it. Let's see, Paul Quinn. Thanks for welcome to the stream, Paul. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for going live during this dump. Was getting nervous. Helpful to hear your thoughts and be in chat with the Frankie Candles community. Let's go, Paul. I appreciate that. It's funny because on my wheel of punishment, I landed on weekend stream, which that's not really punishment for me, but here, there you go. You guys got a late night dump stream. But thank you for that, Paul. I appreciate you. Let's see. This is possibly the beginning of a WW3, and that is not to be confused with WWE. WW3, you heard that right. Yeah, scary times, guys. Scary times. Short the market. Lil Rascal, you know what you're doing. Let's go. I really think we're going to touch 29 going off fib. Yeah, Jeremy, that is definitely possible. That's one of the next targets I'll have. If we do break this spider line, one of my next targets will be in that area. So yeah, good call. Let's see. Could we go to 29K? Yes, kind of just said that, so I'm not going to go over it too much. But yeah, let's take a look here. All right. So let's come to the daily. Okay. Rescale. Okay. So here, this is kind of what we're looking at. Let me take it off log. Okay. Let me clear my indicators so it's clear. Okay. So yeah. That would kind of, 29 is about right here. So yeah, this is definitely, I've been mentioning this on the stream for a little while now. We still have not come down to retest this area down here. We could come down and touch this area. We're kind of at the breaking point right now, right? Like we're still kind of have a higher low here, but once we start making lower lows down here, we get less and less hope. This is, a lot of people think that 29K can be like a really, really serious support level. Some people think we won't go below 29 again. I don't know if I fully subscribe to that. I think we could at least get a really, really nice bounce off of 29, just because we haven't, we are kind of basically, we're just in this kind of channel here. Just draw a rough line here. Like right here. Yeah. So, we could easily see us, right? We come in, down, we set a little bit of a higher high, right? Come down. We could, I was talking about this a while ago, could have set a higher low, right? And then taken off to new highs. However, another way it could play out is up, down, right? Higher high. We could even set a lower low before, that is called a, it's this scenario where you come up, down, higher high, lower, higher low, and then you come out. That's called a running flat, right? A running flat correction. And then a situation where you come up, down, higher high, lower low. I believe that is an expanded flat correction. So, that could still be in play. However, once we start coming below this summer low, it's kind of hard to have any kind of, you start to lose a lot of your bullish hopium. But we're going to have to see what happens. But I do think, if we do break, let me bring those spider lines back up. Whoops, random lines, guys. We get to random lines even at 12, midnight here. But here you go. So, if we break this spider line, 29K is probably inevitable. I mean, I would say it's inevitable. If we break this spider line and as long as it's not like just a fake out and we come back into it, you know what I'm saying? If we truly break this support, I think 29 is likely, very likely. Let's check chat. Let's see. Um, you do a great job, man. Jeff, I appreciate you. Jeff, you're the man. I like you. Thank you. I appreciate that. I will watch it after the stream. Betty, yes, awesome. I hope it helps you out. Let me know. Leave a comment. I'll answer it. I answer all the comments eventually. Not right away, but I do eventually get around to every single comment. Let's see. Frankie, I'm scared. Young boy, I got you. I told you I got you. Crypto AK, if you're new, make sure you subscribe. Frankie is the real deal. Crypto AK, I appreciate that, guys. Who else? Actually, I don't know. There could be other people that are live right now, but hey, I'm just going to say, who else is coming to you at 12 a.m., right? Who is coming at you in the middle of the night to, cover this Bitcoin dump? Let's see. Add the late night to the wheel. Okay, Adam Bernard. I like that. All right, let's see. Captain Kirk, thank you for being here. I appreciate you. I get late night dumps every time I drink sauce from the jar as well. Jason, you are a funny person. Okay, this bounce gonna be crazy. Let's see. Is anyone else hoping Gala hits 15 cents again? Yeah, Sherlock, me. I hope Gala hits 8 cents again. I did buy a little bit at 27 cents and I think 29 cents as well. Just a little bit, right? I DCA'd in, right? I'm not worried about it dumping. I'm just going to get in lower. But I would love to see low single-digit cents again. BTC Dom about to break. Do you consider 33K an important support coming back from January 18th, 2021. We could take a look at that. Can you tell me how to get the tool border on my iPhone? Tool border? If you're talking about this right here, the little toolbar, it's at the bottom of the screen, I believe. You got to hit the 3 dots. There's also a paintbrush. Alts will get smashed more. Yes, absolutely. I'm not going to try to pronounce your name because I don't want to butcher it, but yes, you are correct. Can you tell me how... Captain Kirk says, isn't that also the triplets? The blonde, the brunette, and the redhead. I swear it's real thing, folks. Let's see. When the messages start to get really bearish is when the bull market will break out again. Sherlock, hey. Sometimes, yeah. Yeah. I would have to agree with that. Do you think we'll go down to 34K tonight? Shane, I think it's possible. So I don't know if it was you, but someone asked me if I thought we would go to 34K in the next 24 hours. I said there was nothing specific that would make me think that specifically we'd go there. Now we did have the 3-day blood diamond, but as you can see, we're getting very close. We're getting very close. Look at that. Told you. I told you. We might come down more. I mean, I think we might hit this before the end of the stream. Not going to be a typical 2-hour stream, guys. I'm sorry. I would love for it to be, but I do got to get some sleep. I got to record some videos tomorrow. I got stuff to do. We're making content tomorrow, so it's okay. But yeah, we'll stay on for a bit. Let's see. Paul Quinn, actually, I'll click the 3 horizontal lines at the top left, toggle on drawing panel. Boom. Paul Quinn, thank you for that. Answering questions in the chat. I love that. Thank you. Ryan, what's going on, man? Welcome to the stream. Thanks for the live session. I'm bouncing like Bitcoin, lol. I'll watch the replay. Nice. Hey, Mariella, thank you for stopping in. We'll see you in the replay. All right, let's see. Appreciate the late night stream. Love dinero. Absolutely. I don't have my stack of money with me, unfortunately. Otherwise, I'd, fan out my money for your last name. Let's see. Waking up for work, and Frankie's here. WTF? Do you even sleep? Yes, I think it's one of my superpowers. I don't really require a lot of sleep, and also I am blessed to do something that I love, so I don't feel like I'm up working late. I feel like I'm up hanging out with my friends, letting you guys know what's going on with Bitcoin. So yes, rarely need sleep, but thanks for the comment. Do you consider a good strategy to convert alts to Bitcoin during a bear market? I mean, I would say a strategy that I would do is I would just convert, it would be better to hold it in Bitcoin rather than altcoins, but I would personally just tether out to a stable coin and then just wait for everything to drop and then just get in super low. Help bring us the good sauce in times of uncertainty. Yes, love dinero. I will try. We don't got the sauce, but we got the buble. But yeah. So we're going to keep an eye on this, guys. Let's check the degen time frames here. So yeah, coming back, we look, see, barely came into the green here with the money flow, came up for, it was gasping for air, and then we just tumbled it right back down into the red. Do you guys ever go to the beach in the ocean and you get like tumbled by a wave and it just drags you down? You got to hold your breath and it feels like you're never going to get out of the water. That's kind of how I feel like this little green money flow wave felt. It's coming up for air and it just got swallowed by another wave. So yeah, I think there's a chance we can come down to that spider line tonight. I think there's a chance. Because how close are we right now, right? This is the 1 minute, but yeah, we're like 2% away, right? So it wouldn't be unlikely that we get there, especially with that 15-minute VWAP coming down. I think that could just be the last little straw, and then we might get a decent bounce, or we might crash right through. It's gonna depend. We're gonna have to keep an eye on it. Excuse me, guys. It's bubbly. Anyway. Waking up for work and we already read that one. Help bring us the good sauce in times of uncertainty. I got a newborn, so I'm up anyways. Sherlock, hey, there's a plus. Team no sleep. Let's go, guys. We're the real crypto degens out here, up late at night. Best wishes from New Zealand. Hey, Rochdale, I appreciate that. Rochdale Cowboy, thank you. I'm glad you're tuning in all the way from New Zealand. Let's see. Those are the vibes that earned you one more sub. Keep up the good energy. Peter, welcome to the CandleMafia. FYI, KuCoin gives 6.5% on holding your UST. Ooh, hey, yeah. Yeah, and you could, that's right. I didn't even mention that. I should have mentioned that. Thank you, Captain. You could stake your stable coins too. So maybe tether out to USD, USDT, USDC, whatever it is, and then stake it so you can get a return. Much more than your bank. Crypto Benz, thank you for the late night stream. Anytime. Are you going to try to scalp a long? I'll be honest. I'm going to be honest, right? Depending on how it happens, I don't like being in trades while I sleep, right? Especially scalp trade I like to watch. So maybe not. I got to get some sleep tonight. I might, when we get here, I might take some profit and then, just hold the rest to see if we could break that spider line. Check Luna. Yes, we will look at Luna. Raunak, we will check that. Oscar, bing bong. The great Frankie Candles Familia. Yes, the true family is here, guys. The true family is here. Well, we should have been S&P 5, nosediving, S&P 500 nosediving. I've got 2 under 2. Oh my God, so happy. I needed ETH for NFT. Let's go. Great spy. Ding bong. Check Luna. Okay, we're looking at Luna. Guys. Luna, look at the Binance chart. All right, what is this? This is the 15-minute. It's let's check the 1 hour. Yeah, it's done. It's coming down, but let's just see. Yeah, nothing like some of this other stuff. But actually, what are we down? What are we down for? From here to here. Yeah, 10%. Yeah, it's Luna's down. Let's go back to it. I don't have it saved on my chart. So, okay. Hey, I'm not even gonna lie, guys. This is the 1 hour. Fat old VWAP coming up on the 1 hour. Let's go to the 15-minute. Yeah, I don't know. Everybody's saying that Luna was pumping. Not really. It was pumping. It definitely was. But yeah, once that dump started, Luna is definitely feeling that as well. But holding up, decent. Holding up decent. What was this? Let's go to the 4 hour real quick. It's a nice little pump right there. What is this? 33% about. Not bad. Luna, yeah, good job, Luna. Good job. Let's see. Dude, the alts are plummeting. Yeah, Doug. When you see Bitcoin dumping, the alts are gonna follow right behind it. What's VeChain at? I'm scared to look. We did say it could come back down to 3 cents, right? Well, at 4 cents even. I think it was at like 4.5 cents when we were looking at it. Broke that out of this little support range here. Yeah, interesting. Okay, not too horrible, but let's see. Ukraine getting invaded. Guess Bitcoin isn't going to have a good next few days. Yes, Michael Norris, probably not. Um, a little rascal, I see you. You're funny. Short everything to the ground. That's what Remy says. You're the man, Frankie. Always keeping us straight here. Barry, absolutely. I like letting you guys know where I am looking. Where can we stop? Where can we stop? I'm looking at that spider line at about 34K. For our next little stop. Could we crash through it? Sure, but I think there is a good chance that we will get some kind of reaction off of it. Let's take a look at it real quick. What am I looking at? Where did that? Oh yeah, where are we gonna stop? Jeez. 12 a.m. guys. This is the 12 a.m. Frankie Candles. Let me tell you, if I was alone in this house, I'd be screaming as normal. But I just want to be respectful to everybody else here. I don't want to wake anybody up. But one day, on the weekends and stuff, Saturday night, if we're having a stream on a Saturday night, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna be screaming in it. We're gonna be screaming in this place. All right. So yeah, I mean, we got. This is kind of where's this? Yeah. So respect there. Pretty good respect there. Yeah, and then you have it acting as resistance, right? Kind of just in this general area, right? So I think there's a good chance we can see a bounce off of this spider line. Yeah, I mean, we're close. I'll be honest with you guys. I don't know how long we're gonna run this stream. Depends. Let's check. How are we? Give me a sec. I'm just checking. What are we doing? Oh, we got 72 people in here, guys. 121 people. Okay, that was a lag. Welcome to the stream, guys. Did not realize we had this many people watching. Guys, smash the likes if you want Bitcoin to go up, right? Please. Smash the like button. I want Bitcoin to go up. No, I'm kidding, guys. Because as we said, earlier today, on the first stream of the day, we're making money either way, so we're not worried, right? We do like to see crypto go up, right, for our long-term bags, but hey, we're making money either way. Look at the yellow X's, guys. Look at the yellow X's. I just see these out of the corner of my eye. Look at these guys. Bada boom. They play, guys. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see. By the oh god, I love the streams, brother. Hey, Crypto Deej, thank you for being here. I keep looking this way like the camera's over there, but it's not. Hang on, I'm gonna move the camera. Moving the camera. Okay, boom. All right, look at that. You guys get a nice view of my tripod over here and my plant. But yeah, this feels a little more natural. Okay, let's take a look here. Move it that way. Okay. All right. Let's see. How much is that spider line? This spider line is coming in at about 34.2, I would call it. Sorry guys, just trying to get this camera situated correctly. Okay, so when you scalp, what's your average size? Danny, I will tell you this. I don't like trading with really. I try to aim to enter maybe 10% of my account on a trade. I try to keep it limited depending on like how risky I think the trade is. If I think it's a really, really risky trade, I might not use as much. Sometimes when I use higher leverage, I'll use less. Or if I use lower leverage, I'll use more of my account. But percentage of the account wise, I usually, like when I'm scalping, a small amount of my account. Where do you think ETH would bounce? We can go over that, Aramis. Smash the likes and drink water. Dark Crash says, let's go. Hey, Dark Crash 20. That's an appropriate name. That's an appropriate name for what's going on right now. The same fib you had up earlier today, click the 1.68 to enable it. And we're literally there right now, bouncing off of it. Okay, hang on. This is the fib that I had drawn earlier. Whoa. Let me say, what'd you say? The 1 point, do I have the, let's come to the daily. Let's come over to the daily, right? You said the 1.68. Let me open my settings. Oh, I have the 1.68. Oh, yeah, you're right. It's right here. Oh. Hold up. What is going on? I'm not sure what. Where did that comment go? Where did that go? Same 50. The 1.6 to enable it. We're literally bouncing there right now. Huh. Interesting. I am not seeing that. But yeah. Anyway, so guys, how cool is this? I just wanted to bring this up. The golden pocket, right? We caught this nice little scalp long off of the bounce of the golden pocket, right? And then we wound up dumping, and we essentially shorted through the golden pocket too, right? So we traded the bounce as support, and now we broke through the support, and now we're shorting it, right? Making money 3 different ways. Guys, this is we're just going handheld. We're just going handheld today. I'm just kidding. Okay, boom. All right, I guess it's more normal over here. Okay, pump it down. Gotta have that plant and tripod in frame. Nice job, Remy. Anytime, man. I like to dress the set, as they say. What you reckon will be the predicted price range of Bitcoin over for the next 7 days? Ryan, we can talk about that. We're also going to take a look at ETH. I have you highlighted. We're going to take a look at ETH, and I will come back to that. Okay, let's take a look at ETH. Boom, 23.39. Okay. That hurts, guys. I have a big bag of ETH. That hurts me. But it's okay. It's okay. All right. Let's see. Oh, whoopsie. All right. So where can we come for ETH, right? Boom. We're. So this is the daily, but if you come, let's say the 3-day, you can see it's a little better. Someone pointed this out in the office that we are in this little ascending triangle for ETH on the weekly or daily, on the longer time frames. I don't really have too much hope for this, just because if Bitcoin continues to dump, we're gonna fall right out of here. Unless most likely we'll fall out. But where can we come? Where can we come to if we lose these levels, right? I don't have any levels drawn on this chart for some reason, but I'll say this. If Bitcoin, right? If Bitcoin decides to let's pull Bitcoin back up. So if we come to the 3-day, right, and this blood diamond does bring us to if this blood diamond does bring us down another 50%, right, like the last one did, right? So let's go 50%. That would bring us to right around, around 20K, which is the last all-time high in the last cycle. I was talking about this earlier today. I think that is likely where we would probably find a bottom if we don't. Maybe we have a strong bounce off 29, but if we do, if this does bring us down 50%, back down to 20K, the previous all-time high in the last bull run, I think that's where we would find a bottom. So it would make sense if we are going into a bear market that this would bring us down there. But I think if that happens, I think ETH will wind up bottoming out between I would say between 1,500 and 1,200, 1,250 maybe, in that range. So if we pull ETH back up, this is the 3-day. We'll go to the daily. Where is that? Let's yeah. So I don't know if we'll go under the last all-time high. Maybe we wick below it, but somewhere in maybe this range. Whoops. What just happened? I don't even know what just happened. Sorry, guys. Yes. So somewhere here, and maybe 14. Somewhere in here, maybe 15. Somewhere in this range. I'm not going to draw it out really super technically. I'm just kind of giving you guys a rough range here. This is kind of where I think that we would kind of find a bottom, right? So Bitcoin drops 50%, and that would bring us, right to around another 50% drop, maybe a little lower actually. But yeah, I typically am a subscriber to the testing the last all-time high in the bear market. The next bear market will test the previous all-time high as as support. Let's take a look here. Gala just dipped below 19 cents. Who would have thought? Let's pull up Gala. Yikes. Yeah, it's a dumpski, guys. It's a dump. But hey, guys, so you want to let me put things into perspective a little bit, right? Just so you're not freaking out. Earlier this month, we were sitting at 19 cents. So this really isn't that crazy, right? We endured this drop from all the way down here, this slow floating fall down to this level, and we hung out here for a while. This is probably going to be a decent area of support, at least get a bounce, right? If Bitcoin gets nuked like completely, obviously we're probably going to come down lower. But hey, like we were here a couple weeks ago. You know what I'm saying? This isn't that scary of a level. Just remember that. All right, let's see. Tony D. Tony, what's going on? Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the stream, dude. I don't know if you're in New York, California, but it's 12:30 a.m. here in Atlanta, Georgia. Thank you for being here, guys. The most dedicated mods ever. Love to see you guys in here. I appreciate you all. I hope ETH goes to 1,500. That would be great. Yeah, I would buy the heck out of ETH at 1,500. Let's see. Luna holding strong. Yeah, Jay. Yeah. We're about to hit the spider line. Oh, she's getting close, baby. She's getting close. Oh, she's getting close, guys. She's getting close. I don't like seeing a Bitcoin dump, but there is some sort of excitement when you're able to predict what happens, and it happens, especially when you're sharing that information with other people. I do love when things play out in our favor, not in our favor, but, as we think they were going to happen. Frankie, do you prefer USDT or USDC, or does it not matter? Oscar, I don't typically hold stable coins for that long unless I'm going to stake them. But I mean, USDC is great. I think USDT has some regulatory issues, so maybe that's why I would prefer USDC. But I don't typically put that much thought into it just because I don't deal with stable coins that often. Let's see. Tony D says, look at this guy, Night Owl. Let's see. Time to see new all-time lows. Yes. Suck miser. Yes, possibly. Let's see. Frankie live twice in one day. We all win. Joshua, absolutely. Joshua Franks, that is, right? Joshua has the best last name in the world, and that is Franks. Thanks for coming back, Joshua. Appreciate you. Tony says he's in New York. He's bored, so he's just hopping in, modding a nice little Frankie Candles show, guys. Welcome to the show. Hey, let me see if I can pull this up real quick. Hang on. How do you guys feel about this? I don't know if it's going to work right away, but let me see if this works. Give me 1 second. I promise it's worth it. Let's see. Let's see. Boom. Is this going to work? Is this going to work? I hope it works. Let's see. What just happened? Hang on, guys. I'm trying to do something really cool, okay? But yeah, I'll keep an eye on chat while I'm working this out. Technical difficulties tonight, guys. Let's see. Frankie, the fortune teller. Let's go. Love De Niro. Let's go. Oh, look at that, guys. We're zooming in. We're going to the 1 minute. We're going to the 1 minute, guys. We're going to the 1 minute. Yellow X. Here we go. Should we just make it like just the line and the, wait, that's not the, oh, it is. Okay. Yeah. Should we just make it this? Just a little wick and the spider line and just let them meet? Okay. Let me see here. Boom. Why is this not working, guys? Trying to do something cool. I tried to do something cool for once, and it just doesn't work. All right, we'll work it out, guys. We got some fun filters that pop up over here. It's very, very fun. Making new lows. Good afternoon, all the way from Sydney, Australia, mates. Ryan, welcome from all the way from Australia. Good evening for here. It is 12:40 a.m., but welcome to the stream. Happy to have you. Let's see. Very unfortunate we're making so much money on shorts due to war. No wonder they said war is good for business. Hey, suck my, I don't know how to say your name, but that's facts. That's facts. Would you sell right before the spider line? If I'm in a trade, I'd take profit at that spider line. We'd probably see a bounce. We could come below it, but would be so deep. I'm so deep in profit at this point that it would just be worth it to take some profit off the table. The end is near. We gotta repent for our sins. Juan Carlos live. We're in scary times. Guys. But hey, We'll be streaming. We'll be streaming no matter what. Don't worry. Shorty McShort Shorts, CandleMafia, smash it like you shorted it. Yes, absolutely, absolutely. Nice to be on board and you ready for duty, manning my station, sir. Hello from Milwaukee. Edson, welcome to the chat. Welcome to the chat. Where do you leverage? I trade on Femex. I use that's the exchange that I use for leverage. If you want to sign up, you can go to any of the descriptions of any videos except for this one because we rushed it up. I do have a link for you guys can save some money, or I think you get like a signing bonus if you sign up through my link. So definitely check that out. Hi from the UK, Richard. Welcome, Richard Wanka. Let's see. Wish I knew how to short. Hey VK. Go ahead and hit the Frankie Candles YouTube channel and check out my Femex tutorial. I show you exactly how to do it. And for that matter, hey, just watch them all. Let's see. Yeah, check out the Femex tutorial, though, and that should answer a lot of your questions. Can't sleep. Light the candles. Let's go. Light the candles, guys. I think we're working on getting a candelabra to go in the background, and we could change the candles to red and green and stuff. It's going to be cool. Let's see. So the spider line is 34.2. Yeah, just about, Shane. Bitcoin crashing. Hey, ballin' on a budget. Welcome. I like your little Pluto Alliance NFT there. Bitcoin crashing. Frankie speaking the sauce and getting a little extra flight time with my starships. Absolutely. Welcome back to the stream. Crypto AK. Frankie needs to play Night Drive by Cannons in the background. Yeah, we could. I wish we didn't have to worry about copyright strikes, but yeah, we could probably pull some music up actually. Let's see. Nazar Al Mawi says, hi from Oman. It's 9:40 a.m. here. I'm a big fan. Hey, welcome to the stream. I'm a big fan of you. Thank you for tuning in on this beautiful early morning here. I'm just kidding. It's midnight here, but good morning to you. I hope you got your coffee and your sauce ready. Or I got the sauce ready. You got the coffee ready. I can't wait to super chat you, brother. You deserve it and so much more. Shane, I appreciate it. That's one thing that I actually do have to take care of tomorrow. I'm going to try to get that all squared away. Yeah, blame my parents for my name. Yeah, no problem. I like your name. It's fun. Let's see. Can you check Luna? Yes, we just looked at Luna, but I'll look at it again for you. This night crew is lit. Yeah, Tony, I'm feeling the night crew too. Frankie making the sauce tonight. Crazy. You know, I should have started streaming from the stove, stirring the pot. You know what I'm saying? Cooking up in the kitchen. Sauce dripped candles. Let's go. Look at that sauce. Look at the sauce dripping, guys. Look at the sauce dripping. That does look like it's dripping, right? Look at that. That looks like that's sauce. That's dripping sauce, right? That's a little yellow piece of cheese. I just subbed. Came over from BitBoy. Thanks for staying up. I bet you go to 10,000 subs after tonight. Hey, Doug. I hope so. I really hope so. We're out here. We're hustling. Where's my drink? Here's my drink. Jason Casper be playing the Rocky theme music during dumps and love to narrow. Dude, Jason Casper's funny, man. He's he's funny. Hashtag Sauce Oscar. What's going on? Hashtag Sauce CandleMafia. What's best main alt to ape into if we see 30K soon? I'll be looking at Metaverse plays. I'll tell you that. I'll be looking at Gala. I'll be looking at Gala, Sand, but yeah, I would say Metaverse plays. Let's see. I hope Ivan on Tech is good. Welcome, Doug. If you don't stir, you're gonna burn that sauce. That's right, Remy. That's right. Totally agree. Loving the vibe of this night crew. Yeah, totally. Buy the dip. Buy the dip, clown. Funny how? Funny like a clown? What do you mean? Like I amuse you? No, I'm kidding. Femex derivatives, 24-hour volume up 67%. I bet. Look at the yellow X, guys. We're hitting the spider line. Let's see. Yeah, guys, look at this. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay, it's happening, guys. It's happening. All right. I really wish I could. Oh, what happened? Everything got minimized. This is not good. Okay. What just happened? Why did that happen? Okay. I really, really want to get this thing to work, guys. Okay, we're going to get this to work. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Hotkeys, boom. Okay. Device unavailable or used by another application. That's why. What's the point of that then? Okay, oh guys, here it comes. Here it comes, guys. Here it comes. We're on the 1 minute degen chart, everybody. Welcome to the stream. If you're just signing in, smash that like button. If you don't care about sleeping, if you literally don't care about sleeping at all, then just smash that like button. Galamana Sand Kadena Meta. Okay. Oh God, I hate to come off of this Bitcoin chart. We just need these two to kiss, guys. We just need them to kiss. Just a little peck. Just a little peck, right? Okay. Let's see. Let's actually take a look while we're waiting for these to come down. It's going to be a big celebration if we hit that spider line, just because we called it, guys. We called it. The CandleMafia knew. CandleMafia knew. All right, let's see. What are we looking at? Luna. We did just look at Luna, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. There you go. Yellow X. That's the 1 minute, obviously. But yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's down about 12%, I believe. I mean, maybe more from the top of this wick. Yeah, 16% from the top of that wick to the bottom of these wicks. Yeah, I mean, probably going to come down if Bitcoin keeps dumping. Simple as that. Just watch Ben's short vid. All right, let's take a look at Sand. We did just look at Gala, so we'll do that last. Ooh, baby. Well, I think that circle was me saying you have coming down to support earlier today. Yeah, I was saying there was support. Now that support has broken, where can we come down to? Yeah, probably looking at this 254 region right here. We have bounced off it, got a little resistance, a little support. So yeah, probably I would guess if Bitcoin keeps coming down, we're definitely going to hit that level. Let's see. The night shift rocket. Let's go. Let's go. I can almost hear Chariots of Fire playing. First time I'm not scared of Bitcoin dumping. Hey, Richard, let's go. Let's go. We're in it together. My beta plays are PYR, Sand, Gala, Network, and Sol. Okay, nice, nice. What stop loss do you put in on your trades? Is it a certain percentage? It depends. It depends. You could put it like if you're shorting, right, you could put your stop loss above the last swing high. There's a lot of ways to do it. I'm going to make a video about it, but it varies. It also depends on your own risk tolerance, right? If you have not a lot of risk tolerance, you might want to set it a little tighter. I'm kind of just generally into trading where it's like I just generally like to have like tiny loss, right? Even if you out of 10 trades, if it's like, out of a bunch of trades, if it's tiny loss, tiny win, huge win, tiny loss, huge win, tiny loss, huge win. You lose a lot of trades, but right, like you might pay some fees, but as long as your losses are much smaller than your gains, right, then you're going to be good. But we'll make a video on that. But generally, it does depend. There's a bunch of different ways you can do it. Sean says this is horrible. I don't know if you mean the stream or Bitcoin dumping, but how do you add to a position in Femex? We can make a video on that, but you just add to it. I don't like you. It's kind of hard to explain. Like you just do it again. Like just add more. I'll make a video on it. Just I don't know why I can't really explain it. Just do what you think you're supposed to do, and it'll work. It's like just add, I don't really know how to explain it. I don't know if it's because it's late or it's just like, yeah, like just like put another trade in kind of thing. I don't know. It's hard. It's like we'll make a video on it. Maybe actually, where's Bitcoin at? Oof. She's close. She's close, boys. She's close. Boys and girls, I should say. Yeah. Okay. Moving on. What marketplace did you use to buy the Dognuts NFT? I used jpeg.store to buy the Dognuts NFT. Who run? Obsessions 2024, I think, is the winner. If you're in here, congratulations. Maybe you're sleeping like a normal person, but buy the dip and it just dips more. I hate that. Hey, Chris, no, don't worry about it, man. Just maybe sit out for a little bit, let it go down. Captain Kirk, what is going on? Thank you for being here, Captain Kirk. I appreciate you. Let's see. Tony C. Yes, got IMX too. Okay, yeah, I used to have IMX, not anymore. But yeah, I do like IMX. Get chopped up on that 1 second chart. Hashtag no fear. Let's go. We need more of the daytime Candle Mafia to hit that notification bell. Yeah, facts, Tony, facts. Let's see. When I see red, I go shopping. Oscar, great attitude. I love that. Let's see. Is Harmony 1 worth a pun on that? Worth a pun on at these levels? I'd be careful. I let Bitcoin bottom out. Maybe that's the get a little bit of a pump ski here. We're going up. Probably going to be temporary if I had to guess. Can't go to sleep until we see what's up with the spider love. Yeah, love dinero. Yeah, we're going to see once we hit this level, maybe that's when we'll end the stream. Let me pull up the YouTube stuff here real quick. Check out our viewers. 145 guys, 145 people in here, 140 likes, almost matching the viewers. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you guys. Let me know what you guys want to see in the chat, because we kind of just went over Bitcoin. I don't want to keep going over it. But if anyone really does want me to cover it again, you just hopped in, just let me know. What's your guess on next support? 34.2 essentially. This spider line is probably hopefully we can get a little bit of a bounce. Going to hopefully getting a little bounce off of that. But if we lose that level, let's come off the godforsaken 1 minute. I say, let's see. Coming down to the May dump / summer lows is where we're headed, in my opinion. If you have access to Binance Futures, it's the best in the world. I actually don't use Binance. I've never used the Binance Futures, but hey, I'll take your word for it, XRP. DJ Bravo Crypto says, Frankie Candles, I have a 0.618 fib at 34.15. Is that where your spider line is? My spider line is at 35, roughly about 34.1. Let me just stretch out here a little bit. Boom. Yeah, about it's like 34.1. Someone said 34.2, so I guess it's closer to 34.1. Let's see. My God, DJIA and NASDAQ futures are diving this. I bet they stop trading tomorrow, but coins are going to fly. I'm going to load up on HBAR, CKB, ETH, and BIT. Hey. Doug, do your thing. Tony Cease has been wanting to start leverage trading, but been scared and try to watch all these videos I can to gain as much knowledge as I can. Yeah, Tony C, check out all the videos. I try to make it as simple as possible to understand. We like to keep trading simple on this channel. We don't like to overcomplicate things. We just, sometimes too much information is bad information. And sometimes you can find yourself, if you analyze things too much, find yourself in analysis paralysis. You're too scared to get into a trade. You're thinking you got too much information. So we like to try and keep it nice and simple here. And you could see that on our stream that we had earlier today, when we saw this move coming. It's pretty simple stuff. It's not like we're looking at 50 different indicators. We just kind of we keep it simple. I had to pick up some Chainlink for $11.96. Was my first buy-in. Hey, Steven, not bad. An $11 Chainlink ain't too shabby. Bitcoin to $1 single. Is that why your name is single? You want Bitcoin to be a single? I just need to man up and lose a few bucks to learn. Tony C, hey, take an amount of money that you're willing to lose and just give it a try. And if you're not worried about losing, also check out, I think Femex has a test, like a demo account that you can use. If you really don't have the money to risk, you can try and hop on there and trade with a little bit of fake Bitcoin, just so you can go through the motions of how to actually place a trade, and take profits and all that stuff. If you want to just mess around with at zero risk, you can do that. But then I would recommend the next step after that is trading with a small amount of money that you're comfortable losing, and then work your way up from there. Let's see. This dump is nostalgic. on Helena Boham Carter and Edward Norton holding hands while watching out the window as the buildings explode in Fight Club. Watch it dip together. Captain Kirk says, it's your thing. Do what you want. Do what you want to do. Has the weekly bullish divergence played out in your opinion? Let's take a look at it. Who said that? Who said it? DJ Bravo Crypto. Let's see. The weekly bullish, he said bullish divergence or bearish divergence? Bullish divergence. I don't know. I don't see a bullish divergence. Bearish divergence. Oh no. Yeah, not quite. But yeah, guys, the weekly is not looking good. That VWAP is just coming down more and more. Money flow coming down. I said this on the stream, might be a little repetitive, but for the new people, guys, this area of Market Cipher B is looking a lot similar, right? If you had to pick a chart, if you had to pick an area of where that looks similar, I would go ahead and say right here. And this is the 2017 bear market. So that's kind of why I said I was feeling bearish this afternoon or this evening earlier. Not the only reason I'm feeling bearish, but it does look similar. It does look very similar. Let's see. Market Cipher, 3-hour, 12-minute strategy. Let's go. Is a double bottom. People watching the market tank after aping into it. Time to take advantage of the fire sale. Yes. Tony, let's go. Can you check out Crow? Yeah, we can check out Crow. Boom. This is cool, guys. I'm typically like doing this stuff, at this time anyway. Just all alone. Now I don't have to be all alone. Wow, this is a young chart. Let's find another one. Coinbase. Is there a USDT? All right, whatever. Yes, we'll look at this in a second. DZ had me pick some up. Steven, yeah, the chain link you're talking about. While the Pixies play, sell all your Bitcoin, guys. Fast, you lose all your portfolio. I didn't say that. Nurbeck said that. U.S. is getting ready for war. Yeah, guys, scary times. Got some money to lose, but hopefully gain. Lol, been making a biz plan to start trading and looking to run with 15K to 20K to start. Tony C. I like that you're making a business plan, right? I think if you think of it, anything in your life as a business, right? You run it like a business. You have systems in place, right? You have strategy. You have systems in place. You have rules to follow. I think it's a really good way to be a profitable trader is run it like a business, right? Don't run it like you're just, don't run it emotionally, right? Run it like a business. I like that. Okay. It's my new favorite thing. Can be used in many situations. Let's see. It's 5 p.m. in Sydney. Time for 2 cold ones. Cheers. Let's go. It's almost 1 in the morning. Cheers. I'll give you a little bubbly. I'm drinking bubbly, not champagne. Just bubbly with a little smiley face. Look at that. Smiley. We're not smiling right now. Actually, we are, guys. We're making money. Ooh. Okay, so let's take a look at Crow. Where's DZ? I think he's upstairs. I think he might be sleeping. That's why I'm being quiet, guys. If this was a Saturday, we'd be screaming. That coming down to this spider line, almost touching that spider line, I would have been jumping on my chair. But trying to be respectful of everybody else in the house. We got Brian. Brian from Meta Money was helping me set the stream up because we were having a little bit of trouble. Bitcoin print. Look at this, guys. Okay. I'm sorry. Let's go back to Crow. Didn't even do anything on that. I wish I knew. Well, I wish it showed you how old the charts were before you click on them. Okay. Excuse me, guys. Okay. So, daily. I mean, a lot of these things are going to look the same. I mean, Crow is going to dump if Bitcoin continues to dump. If I had to give you an area of support, you're at one right now. Maybe you get some more support right here. This is a super young chart. Yellow X. There might be another yellow X following here. Crow could get another yellow X on the 30-minute, come down a little more. But this is a young chart. I gotta find a crow chart that is like more mature and save it. I'm sorry about that. I just don't want to go click through all the charts to try to find the one that's more mature. Let's see. Is it possible to get a how to open a trade on Femex in the future? Yes. So I do have a Femex tutorial, Cool Breeze, where I explain everything, how to actually enter a trade live on the video to show you guys. But because you say within the U.S. in the future, depending on where you live, you might have to use a VPN. I always recommend using a VPN all the time anyway. I always use a VPN just because it's safer. But yeah, I would, depending on where you live, you might have to use a VPN to access the site. What coin has gotten hit the hardest right now? Let's go ahead and take a look. Let's see. All right, so we'll come down here, 24-hour. Yeah, I mean, I guess, is that? Yeah. So Harmony's getting crushed. People wanted to see Harmony 1 earlier today in our earlier stream. Someone wanted to see Harmony 1 down 18%. Cardano down 15%. AMP down hard. I mean, AMP was at 5 cents for 7.5 years, so didn't expect much out of it. Secret Loop Ring down 18%. Pancake Swap 17. Kadena down 17. We'll check out Kadena right now. Yeah, I mean, everything's getting crushed right now. Kadena. Is it KDA? Yeah. Okay. Oof. Look at her go. I don't even know why I'm measuring this because we just... Oh, because that's just in the last... I thought those numbers looked light. It's because it was in the last 24 hours. I don't know when CoinMarketCap's clock resets. But yeah, ooh, baby, from this resistance, this top resistance, 29%. Yellow X brought you down, 16% alone. So let's see, where can we go from here? Let's go to the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour. Yeah, so you're coming down to the 786 level, not holding it quite that well. I mean, yeah, you already wicked down to here. I mean, yeah, I mean, you might come down to this 458 level, in this range over here. Just doom down here. If we break this support right here, it is sticking a little bit on the 4-hour, but yeah, maybe you hold this. We're going to have to see, guys. It depends on what Bitcoin does. The 1-hour VWAP coming up, maybe this could bring us up, or maybe it just comes up for a tiny little breath of air and gets drowned by another wave. All right, Crypto AK, have a good night. Frankie, explain what the yellow X is. Oscar, I will explain the yellow X in just a minute. Will you be starting a paid group? Honestly, was going to join Chart Champions because I know Ben mentioned they crush all trading events. Tony C, I've never had any experience with Chart Champions. I've heard pretty good things. But we will have a Discord coming out. It will probably start free, and then maybe we'll add paid features. But we just want to get the Discord community going. I will be in there talking. I will interact with you guys in the Discord, and then maybe as we develop things, we'll add some paid stuff for the, we'll add some extra features for the people who want to pay for it. But yeah, it's gonna be a great free Discord community. I'll be in there talking to everybody, just like I talked to you guys on the chat and in the comments. I will be in there, and I'm gonna give you guys a lot of really good value in that Discord, and it allows me to kind of communicate with you guys and stuff on the go really easily. So yeah, keep an eye out for the Discord. All right, let's see. On 45-minute, Bitcoin printed a green dot. Let's come over to Bitcoin and take a look at the 45-minute green dot, right? I wouldn't, I mean, RSIs are super low. I mean, maybe, we might be due for a bounce. This wick might have been the, the spider line. That might be the touch on the spider line, technically, right? Maybe it just didn't touch exactly. We could see a bounce, or we could come down more. But you never want to just trade off of these green dots. Just a heads up. I don't know if you know that or not, but I don't recommend just trading the green dots. You want some sort of confirmation, but we could see a bounce here. It would be possible. This came very close to our spider line. I mean, what is this percentage? Yeah, we came like 0.2%. We basically touched it. So maybe we see that bounce. All right, let's see. I will explain what the yellow X's is. I will not forget. Thanks for the live stream so late. Hey, Felipe, no problem. I got you. Anytime. But it's way past my bedtime. Doug. Hey, have a good night, Doug. Thank you for being here. Thanks for stopping in. Let's see. We need another whale dump. All right. Okay. Awesome. Thanks for the update, Tony C. No problem. All right. Good night, Frankie. Hope you get some sleep, Aaron. No, I'll try, Aaron. Let's see. VRA. Oh my God. Look at the rubble versus Tether US. They're pumping hard. All right. So let's check out XRP. What's XRP at? 63 cents. Yellow X probably may get another one. Let's come down to the 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I think we could come down and touch this line, guys. I think we still could come down. Try to get a little bit of a. Yeah, there we go. So I'm not just like a floating head. All right, let's see, guys. If you like the home setup here, let me know. Let me know if you like the home setup. So I know if you guys want me to do more home streams, on the weekends and stuff. Let me know if the quality is up to par. I know the webcam is not as high def as in the studio, but maybe we can get a better camera. All right, let's see. Check Bitcoin EMA 200 on 4-day. It's bouncing off the EMA. Let's check it. What did you say? The 4-day? Yeah, the 4-day. All right, let's do that. Okay. Where are we? Oh, I didn't click it. Dang it. What's going on? Where's my days? There it is. Okay. So we're on the 4-day. Do I have the EMA 200? This is not the 200. Let me turn off market cipher A. Boom. Okay. Let me just get in here and change these settings, guys. No. Oh, there we go. All right. Let me just make it a little thicker. I don't know why that wasn't saved. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Coming down to the... Wow. Yeah, coming down right to it. Right at that spider line, guys. Talk about coincidence, right? Look at that. We're all meeting. This is the trifecta here. This is the spider line. The strength of the spider line meets the fury of the 200 EMA. Meets the savageness of the red devil wick. What will happen? Are we just going to explode when all three of these come together? I don't know. Kind of sketchy. No, that is very interesting, though. Yeah, coming down almost to that exact level at the spider line. Very, very interesting. I love the Fight Club reference. Definitely makes it pleasantly digestible. Hey, love it. Eric, anytime. We try to keep things fun on this channel. We like to teach, we like to make money, and we like to have fun. Let's see. Love the giraffe. So actually, funny story. I got you, Richard, on the yellow X. We'll go right into that after the giraffe story. So there used to be a painting here. If you guys remember, if you saw the last stream that I did here, it was a big painting and it said, "Do what you love." And I mentioned that we got it from this crypto artist. It's actually not my painting. It was TJ's painting. So he actually took it back. So the wall, we walked in and the wall was empty, and we're just like, we got to fill that with something until we find something, bigger to put up there. So we just found this random painting that was in the house and we just put it there. So thanks. Maybe we'll keep the giraffe if you guys like it. Okay, let's see. Yellow X's. Let's talk about that real quick and I'll come back to chat, right? Let me turn back on Market Cipher A. So what they are talking about, I think, who was that? Richard asked that. Yeah, Richard asked that. So if you let's come down to the 3-day, right? Because we have that. Oh no, that was the blood diamond. What am I talking about? Should be pretty easy to find a yellow X on these lower time frames. Boom. Okay, here you go. This is the yellow X. If you want to learn more about the yellow X and all of these little indicators that pop up on top of the candles and what they mean and how they can help you make more money trading, check out my Market Cipher A tutorial. I go over what all the symbols mean and how you can use them to make bigger profits. But these are the yellow X's that they are talking about, right? So basically, these indicate manipulation in the market. These indicate manipulation in the market, and typically you do see big dumps after them, right? As you can tell, dump, dump, dump. See, dump, dump. Anytime you see these, there's usually like 90% of the time it's a down move. It could indicate an up move as well, but most of the time, like almost all the time, they're moves to the downside. They are very reliable. If you see them on the longer time frames, buckle up because there's probably a pretty big move incoming. They do play out on all time frames. I mean, if you come to the 1 minute, you got one right here going down. You got one here coming down. You got one here came down a little bit, right? But yeah, obviously, anytime you see big dips, you can bet that there is, yellow X's in play. But yeah, so they're very reliable. Oh, look at this one little 1 minute bounce ski. Look at this. Look at this. Money flow coming up on the 1 minute. Is the dump over? It's the 1 minute, guys. It's the 1 minute. Just kidding. But yeah, still deep in the red. But yeah, let's see. See, I was saying this VWAP could come down and bring us lower, but we got rejected and came back up. That's why I was saying you don't want to front run the VWAP. You want to wait for a confirmation that you closed below the zero line before you make any trades. Okay. So yeah, that's what those yellow X's mean. Manipulation in the market. Typically, you see them come down a lot. Like right here, we're on the 15 minute, not a long time frame, a shorter time frame, brings you down 6%, right? With 10x leverage, that's almost 70% profit, right? So there you go. I hope that answers your question, Richard. Let me know if I answered that for you. Love the giraffe. Let's see, Star Trek fans in here. Let's go. If you like Star Trek, put hashtag Star Trek. I'm enjoying the home stream. Keep them coming. Absolutely, Steven. Maybe we will start streaming from home much more often. I love late night with Frankie. Sheesh. Oh, love that, Oscar. You're funny. Cobra Kai, what is going on, my man? Just woke up, turned on the TV. Turn on the TV for what's new in the zoo, and you're streaming. Hashtag Trooper. Cobra Kai, I got you. Yeah, we're here on a late night 1:13 a.m. stream. I got to go to work in the morning, but hey, I'm here for you guys. Bitcoin's dumping. We did basically called this on the stream. We were all expecting this. I hope some of you got into. I hope some of you saw some good shorting opportunities and took them and made some profits, guys. If you did make any profits, let me know in the chat. Say whatever you want. Just let me know. Just make sure I know that you made some profit. All right. Let's see. Home live stream is really cool. Raggy, love to hear it. There will be many more to come. Wait till the weekend streams. When we start doing weekend Saturday night streams, maybe DZ comes in, Brian from Meta Money. We'll have a good time. Hopefully next time we'll be pumping and it'll be much more exciting. Because we've been making money two ways, right? Is Gala at a good entry point now or better wait? Felipe, I would say, let's pull it up, right? Gala is tanking, right? We're at 20 cents. I mean, it's not that bad. If you want to buy in, I would say put a portion of your money, don't bet the whole farm, right? Because we could come lower. We have that 3-day blood diamond. I know we are getting a little bounce right now, but just to put things into perspective, right? This blood diamond, this is Gala. Let's just see for Bitcoin, right? Let me just get rid of the drawings. So this, right, this blood diamond brought us down 50%, about 50%. This blood diamond has only brought us down about, 18, 17, like 18, almost 18.5% so far, right? If this thing does bring us down 50, you're gonna wind up getting Gala cheaper than 20 cents, which is where it's at right now. So maybe put a little bit in case we pump from here, and then if you do come lower, you're not that mad. You'll just get in a little. You'll just put a little more of your money back in lower. That's my advice. I hope that helps, Felipe. Ryan, the home setup is basically homey, and this time slot is so convenient on my side of the planet as well. Hey Ryan, I'm happy because everyone coming in from other time zones are always like, I'm up so late watching the stream, or I'm up so early watching the stream. So here I am. I'm paying you guys back. You tune in at inconvenient hours to watch my stream. Now I am streaming at inconvenient hours for you guys. There you go. Synergy, guys. Synergy. We work together on this channel. Crypto Gaming says, thank you, Frankie. Crypto Gaming anytime. I do this every single day for a reason. That's because I like to do it. I love to do it. What do you think will generally happen to the market during the Russia stuff? That's my answer to that. I think it's gonna do what you're seeing right now. So I hope that answers your question. Who said that? Specs Effects. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Yeah, I would expect Russia. Probably if this gets worse than it already That's a stupid feature, guys. Okay, thank you, Tony. That was actually Tony Armad calling me, telling me I was muted because I was far up in the chat, guys. I didn't see any of those chats. I did not realize my chat was so far up. So you guys were all saying that. I wasn't even seeing it. Yeah, very, very horrible design on this microphone. There's touch buttons. So if your finger grazes the mute button, it turns off. So I wonder if there's a way around that. Is there a lock? Yeah, I hope there's a way around that. I hope I could turn that off because that is very annoying. I don't know how long I was muted for. Good Lord. Okay. Okay, yeah, we were muted for a while. Somebody put in chat where we left off. It's been 5 minutes. No audio cyber attack. Oh, my God. Guys, I am so sorry about that. So horribly sorry about that. That is annoying. That is my fault, guys. I tapped the mute button. I should have noticed. Oh, how big of a bounce do you think we could get? I'm afraid of liquidation. Let's see. Someone asked if we could look at ADA. We can look at ADA. We'll come back to it, though. Sorry about that, guys. I'm going to have to just go ahead and miss a lot of those comments. His chat must have froze for him not to see everyone's messages. Yeah, my chat does freeze, and then it just snaps up really fast. So I was stuck back there, guys. You were talking about Russia. Yeah, Russia, it can bring us down. I think chances are it could bring us down to, into this range where we were in the summer dump, right? Yeah, so I think if this Russia thing continues and we break this spider line, I think we definitely could see down here. If this 3-day blood diamond plays out just like this one did and brings us down 50%, I think we could wind up at about 20K because I think someone asked how low can we go. So that's the answer for that. Let's see. Russia talk is where you left off. Okay, perfect. Right when you started talking about Russia. Okay, well, you guys are awesome. You guys are on it. That was a good 5 minutes. Shout out to our mod Tony for just straight up just hopping on a phone call. Yeah, Tony is the man. Tony saved the day there. Tony with the win. I was telling you guys, like, I'm sorry. Just give me 1 second. I have to answer this phone call. You couldn't even hear me. Oh, God. I forgot I was on live stream. Hollywood Higgins, what's going on? Cobra Kai, are you not edutained? Did not hear the ADA update. Yes, I actually didn't go over it. We will go over it right now. Mad respect to this guy. Overlord. I appreciate you. You're the man. Okay, VeChain at 4 cents. Yes, Russia is coming. Hold on to your mics. The real hero is Tony. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. That's CandleMafia right there. Okay, guys, so let's take a look at ADA. Coming in at about 77 cents, right? Yellow X coming down, right? I think that, I think this could have the power, right? If that blood diamond does play out at 50% or even, something close to that, I think we could come down to this line right here at about 66 cents. Let's see. Tony the Mike Whale comes to save us bag holders. Lewis, yes. Let's see. Hand signals were on point. Yeah, I'm Italian, so hopefully you guys saw, hopefully you guys could tell. ADA down. It's all good. At least you're on here making a live update. Absolutely, yeah. What if it was someone calling you about your car warranty? Yes, my expired extended warranty. Yeah, I always answer those calls. I always give those people my credit card numbers and everything. It's nice that they call you to warn you about your car's extended warranty. So I just trust them. I'm kidding, guys. Those are scammers. Don't do that. Smash it. Smash it like you shorted it, guys. You heard Captain Kirk, not me. Shorty McShort Shorts. Hashtag CandleMafia. Smash it like you shorted it. Let's go. Thanks for the late night stream. Crypto Ellie anytime. Cool Breeze, can you explain how taxes work on Femex with a VPN? Oh, okay. Yeah, so I actually answered this question. I actually think this was most of what you guys missed. I'm not a tax professional, right? I'm not a tax expert, so I don't really want to give you bad information. I wish I had somewhere to lead you to. I've heard good things about TaxBit, which is it's like a software that helps you collect your taxes, your tax information, your losses, your gains, all the information you need from all your exchanges, and then gathers it all together. So maybe check out TaxBit. I've heard really good things. Frankie's a bullish on the 15-minute. Low time frames are strong, or what's your opinion? Divergence in low time frames. Okay. Yeah, we can go over that. We're going to go over ADA real quick. And what did someone else ask? I think I just wanted to look at ADA. Yeah, ADA update. Yeah, we're looking at ADA. Let's take a look. I assume you mean on Bitcoin. 15-minute bullish divergence. Let's check it out. Okay. I don't know what I have running that is like making my computer run so slow, but all right, let's take a look. So this could play out to be, if we got another red dot, right? Hasn't played out yet, but it could turn into one. It could turn into one. I wouldn't expect it to bring us up too high off the 15-minute. Could bring you up. Could definitely bring you up, but I wouldn't be expecting like, you would want like a 4-hour bullish divergence, right? If you print a green dot right here, you could have a nice bullish divergence right off that spider line, guys. When does this candle close? An hour and 33 minutes? Can we stay live for another hour and 33 minutes? I don't know. I don't think so. I said I wasn't going to do a 2-hour stream, but here we are at over an hour and a half. I love this too much, guys. I can't give it up. Let's see. Thank you for the crash course in sign language. Thanks, dude. You're awesome. Subscribe. Cool Breeze. I appreciate you. All the new subs. Thank you, guys. I'm just buying and selling my longs at 5% till the bottom at this point. Thanks, dude. You're awesome. Okay. So this could bring you up a lot more than the one on the 15-minute. But yeah, I would keep an eye on that 4-hour, if anything. But yeah, I mean, we can still come up, like, even if we pump a little bit, right? If I were to enter a trade, right? If there was say you entered the trade here, I would be looking to pull profits right here, because you could just come up for a little relief and then just reject right back down, bounce around this area, and then maybe break through it. So, yeah. This could turn into a bullish divergence, but I don't think it could bring us up that much. Like, I think you will get resistance here, as we're on the 4-hour, that bullish divergence would be taking you up much, much more. But just remember the macro, guys. 3-day blood diamond. Could it have played out fully? Possibly. It's not impossible, but just remember, last time we got it, it brought us down this much. Random line, guys. The typical random lines that we always have on this stream. But yeah, as you can see, they really don't mess around, these blood diamonds on this 3-day time frame. Let's take a look. Boom. Yeah, 37%. See, like this one didn't play out much. You came right down to this EMA, and it found support. But look, I mean, it was kind of foreshadowing, right? Only brought you down 13%, but it was kind of foreshadowing that there was more downside to come, because then you get the yellow X with a massive drop. So yeah, 3-day blood diamond, nothing to mess around with. But yeah, hope that answers your question. 32K, possible. Bro, you need to get some sleep soon. Matt, I'm going to try, Matt. I promise. Thank you for the crash call. Ciao, Bella. Come stai oggi. Let's see. 32,000 possibly. Wow, every time you say the R word, it mutes. Maybe. That's why I don't really like talking too much about it. I don't know what YouTube likes and doesn't like yet. So we don't want to push the boundaries here. We're just new, guys. Let's see. Should I short Bitcoin? I'm not going to answer the question outright, but I mean, we are, I will tell you this. We are coming down to this spider line, right? Let's come to the 1 hour. We are coming down to this spider line, right? And if we do come down, you would be shorting right here, where I think we could smash through this level, right? We could smash through the spider line, but I am expecting to have at least a little bit of bounce, some sort of a bounce. So if you shorted right now, you might be shorting into a pump. So maybe not the best time, but if we break that spider line, that might might see a lot more downside after that. So just keep an eye on it. Just keep an eye on it. 17 to 20K should be the bottom according to the long-term log chart. The upper band was touched, retouched, that then dump. Just like the last two bull markets, bear market is likely here. Opportunity. Lewis, yes. Great thoughts. I kind of agree with you. I think 20K, that range is probably where we are headed in the bear market. And yeah, I think I think that could wind up playing out. Frankie, thanks for sharing the knowledge, bruh. Appreciate you. Hey, Juan Carlos live anytime. I got you at any time. Anyone buying the massive dump? What do you look for to predict a move? Hey, another young guy. Stay tuned. Stay tuned on this channel. I talk about it on every single stream. I talk about it in every single video. I show you how to easily try to read the charts. I try to demystify the charts, simplify them, and help you guys come up with a simple trading strategy. We want to keep things clean, minimal, and smooth. You know what I'm saying? Nice and simple. So stay. That's a long answer. That's a question that can have a long answer. But if you just watch these streams after your first stream, you'll have a really good idea. I drop a lot of gems in these streams. Femex referral code. I couldn't find one. Hey, Cobra Kai, go to any other video other than this one. Go to the Market Cipher A video. Any of those, it'll be in the link in the description. It'll say sign up for Femex, and that's that little link right there. You just click there, and that's where you can sign up. We rushed this stream out, so there's no description. I don't even know if the title is spelt well. We just threw it up here. We had those technical difficulties. It was a rush, so we just wanted to get up for you guys because we were currently dumping. Keep getting more viewers. Betty, let's go. What are we at now? Let's take a look. 159, guys. Welcome to the stream, guys. We're going late night here. Yeah. Welcome to the late stream. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate all of you. Smash the like button if you're liking what you're seeing. If for those of you who are new and not subscribed, we were basically short. I was short right by this resistance right here. We started shorting up here. We called this on the stream short all the way down. We expected to come down to the spider line. I can't wait to clip that stream. I mean, we couldn't have been more right. We could not have been more accurate. Love it. But yeah, thank you guys for being here. Smash those likes. Sorry for the quiet voice. I don't want to wake anybody up. But yeah. Being a holder is fun. Down 20% in 3 hours. Steven, I feel your pain. I'm waiting for 25K BTC single. I think it's a good number to look for. Thoughts on leverage tokens? I've never used them. Haven't heard any nightmare stories about them, but I don't really have any experience. I never really traded with them. Frankie said shorting into a pump. Love Dinero. I love you, Love Dinero. Rockstar Cola says, not fun today. Started at 55K, then bought more at 44K. Well, I'm a holder. No problem. Listen, if you bought the top of the last cycle, you'd be in profit right now. So just always remember that. Over time, you will be in profit eventually. Let's see. God, oh my God, my chat keeps jumping. Frankie, what's your take on the war just hopped in? Steven, I think that news that Putin just dropped is basically why we saw this pour happen. Technicals were pointing to a dump, but I think we did come down hard, possibly because of that news. I think it could have some more downside for Bitcoin if we continue to come down. It's sad. It's sad to see all this go on. It's scary times. Hey, thanks for the stream, man. Late night crew in Tampa checking in. Mako, what is going on? I like your name, Mako. I would call you Mako because you're from Florida, and you're Mako Shark, right? Welcome to the stream, man. Yeah, the night cruise a vibe. I wish I had a little bit of music. I didn't have time to spruce up the stream for you guys. I just jumped on real quick, but yeah, maybe we can get some nice vibes. We can get some music going in the background for these just chill streams. Let's see. Candles are lit tonight, Eric. Absolutely. It will stay between 33 and 36. Let's see. Short on ETH from 26.26. Let's check. What kind of leverage are you using leverage on that? Let's see. 26.26. So like from right here. Oh, baby. I don't know what kind of leverage you're using, but you could be deep in profit right now. Let's see. Beans, rice, Jesus Christ. And Frankie Candles. I love that. Tulsa King, you're funny. Millionaires are made in the bear market. That's right. Money's made in the bull market. Generational wealth is made in the bear market. So if we are going into the bear market, guys, listen. This is your chance to change your life. This is your opportunity to change your life. Let's see. So are you saying go 1000x long? JK. B Baker. You're good. Sup, dude? I'm late. Crypto Anon. Welcome to the stream, my man. Here we are in the home office. Just vibing. We're vibing here. Yeah, a little late night stream. Let's see. Yo, Frankie, how do you think Bitcoin will react if stocks take a big dump in the morning? I think, lately we've seen Bitcoin following the stock market for the most part. So I think we could see a big dump. Morning from Scotland. Chris, welcome from Scotland. Happy to have you here. Let's see. I was hoping we could, we might have just, that might have been the spider line touch right there, but I was hoping we could get like a true touch, an actual touch. All right, let's see. Mako Shark is right. Your Floridians. Hey, Mako. Absolutely. I'm 32 now, and I'll be retiring at 40. Started in crypto a little over a year ago, so my portfolio is deep red, but I'm so positive Bitcoin and crypto are the future. 2040 will be my year. Hey, I like that. Almost hit the mute button again. I will be checking that from time to time. Hey, man, congratulations. You're 32. You'll be retiring at 40. Not bad, man. Not bad. That's good, man. You get to retire a lot earlier than a lot of people. So congratulations on that. I don't know. Is that because of crypto or no? Either way, congrats. That's awesome. No leverage, unfortunately. Hey, no problem, man. It's still a decent gain, Thomas. Still a decent gain. I'm tapping out, Frankie. Thank you. Love you. Bye, guys. Hey, Captain Kirk, I appreciate you jumping on so late. Yeah, you're the best. Red is my favorite color. However, the scenario ain't cutting it though, but emotions are not good for trading or hodling crypto. The guidance on this channel is a cure for going crypto insane. Ryan, that makes me happy. They call me Frankie Candles, right? But they also call me Frankie the Crypto Doctor. You know what I'm saying? You're feeling the crypto blues? Come here. I'll give you a little bit of sauce that'll make you feel better. All right, let's see. Do you think BitBoy is taking antacids right now because we're dumping? Is that what you mean? I'll tell you what, I need an antacid after drinking all that sauce today. If you guys didn't see the stream earlier today, we did another 2-hour stream on top of this one today. But I drank some sauce. All right. All right. Yeah. So where are we at right now? Winding down here, guys. Feel like I'm looking at the ending credit after a Marvel movie, just praying for the post-credit scene. I wish I knew how to trade long or short. Hey, Wes, check out my Femex tutorial on the channel. It explains how to do everything, and then you could sign up for Femex with the link in the bio, and it gets you started. I believe you get some kind of signing bonus. They give you a little bit of money to trade with. I think I got to double check on that, so I know exactly what you guys get, but you do get a deal. So check out the Femex tutorial video. That'll help you out. Teach you everything you need to know to get started. Interesting to see. Interesting to see if the Fed will still increase rates as predicted. Sentido says, Frankie, you a real one for streaming. Hey, I'm a real one because you guys are real ones. If you guys weren't real ones, I wouldn't jump on this late, but you guys are real ones. We got the best crypto community in the game. The Bit Squad comes in, Bit Squad, the CandleMafia. We come in heavy. We got good communities out here. So I do it for you guys. I just watched his video on shorting. Good stuff. Betty, thank you for that. So there you go. There's a little testimonial for you, Wes. At what price range will BitBoy sell his Lambo? I don't think the Lambo's going anywhere. I hope it's not. I get to drive it sometimes. Hey, Chad J5. I never know how to say your name, but what's going on, man? Welcome back. I feel like I just saw you. Only been trading for 6 months, so staying away from leverage for the time being, as tempting as it may be. Hey, Thomas, that's good. You want to take it at your own pace. Take it at your own pace. Don't get that's. I think a lot of people get wrecked because they dive in too hard. I always say if you want to try leverage, maybe if you want to try with a test account, right, or a demo account, so you're not risking anything, you can practice doing that while you're trading your real money without leverage. Frankie deserves a share after this one. Everyone share his channel link. Spread the word. Let's make his dedication known. Hey, Tony D, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, guys, share this video. Share this video with someone who's scared that crypto's dumping and tell them Frankie Candles has got your back. I'll make you feel better. Or just teach you how to make money while it's going down so you feel a little bit better. Let's see. Still not below 34.5, so maybe good. I retired at 23 with all the mental stress of this market, not financially. Any more yellow X's lately? Let's come down to the lower time frames. Let's see. 1 minute showing any yellow X's? Not really. Nope. 3 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 6 minute, 10 minute, 12 minute. Not any new ones, but where's the 15-minute VWAP? Is that thing coming down yet? I really want it to come down so we could touch the spider line. Okay. All my Virgin Galactic gains will be gone before I wake up. CandleMafia, Eric, what's going on, brother? Do you see astrology at all in trading? Do you use astrology? No, I do not. I don't actually. I know people do. I don't personally know anyone who does though. So, 3 a.m. in Bolivia. Help, Rudy. Everybody's like, I'm scared. I got you. I just joined Frankie. Can you real quick see what levels Bitcoin looking at? Like, you want to know like the support levels I'm looking at? We do have this spider line that we just got a nice little bounce off. Not a nice little bounce, but we got a little bounce off of it. I think we could come lower and test it a couple more times before breaking through. If we break through, I do think come to the daily. If we do break through that, if we do break through this spider line right here, I do think we can come down to this purple box right here in this area. So I hope that helps you. AZTV levels to really, okay. Don't forget to keep powder dry in these times. It's easy to blow it all in one go, but it's better to hold back and keep cash handy for further dumps. And if not, you got a good price anyway. Lewis, great thoughts right there. Frankie, 1 minute looking like rounding. 1 minute looking like it's going to come up. Yeah, I think the money flow is coming up. Yeah, money flow coming up. Again, oh boy, let me turn off. I think is it my indicator? I don't know what's making my computer run so slow. I guess it was that. I have like a ton of stuff up. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, it's the 1 minute little pump. Look at that. I mean, you could have longed off that spider line if you wanted to. You'd be up, about almost 2% right now, which is pretty dope. But yeah, a little pump ski on the 1 minute, baby. Let's go. Let's see, 15 minute. Let me bring back some of these indicators. And then let's go. Yeah, right. Like I said, you're probably going to get tested on this EMA here. It could come back down. But yeah, I'm expecting resistance at this level right here as well. Let's see. Frankie and CryptoFace need to do a live trading stream together. Yeah, Dennis, that would be very, very cool. We got to try to hook that up. He is a friend of our channels, so maybe we can get that hooked up. That would be dope. 742 from Italy. Hey, we got the familia in here, baby. We got Italy, the homeland, in the house. Carlos, what's going on? The green engulfing candle on the 15-minute chart. Nice. Okay. Got a $75 haircut today. Did I overpay? Nah, maybe a little bit. Maybe overpay a little bit. No big deal. Just woke up to a dump. Carlos, yeah, just a little bit of a dump ski. Yes, thanks, Frankie. I loaded up at 35K. Thanks, guys, for the input. We'll keep some cash for lower levels. Pumpski, baby. Thanks, Frankie. We all appreciate what you do. Now late now late into the night. Good night, all. Adam, have a good night. I think we're gonna end it, just about here. I'm just gonna finish out these chats real quick. What a good low range laptop. What is a good low range laptop that would still be good for trading? And listen, and play to earn. As far as trading, like there's really no hardware requirements. You could trade from your phone if you want. But for play to earn, I don't know. You could probably get a pretty affordable gaming. Get an affordable gaming laptop. I don't really have any specific ones that I would recommend, but yeah, I mean, I don't think the hardware requirements for trading are really that high. I mean, it's really nothing as long as you can get Chrome. Like I said, you could do it on your phone, so nothing too crazy. Crypto Anon, proud of you, Frankie. You're doing your thing. Yeah, Crypto Anon, I appreciate that. We're doing our thing. Doesn't matter what time it is. 2 a.m, we don't care. Is descending broadening wedge on 8 hour still valid? We could take a look at that real quick. Let's see. I'm gonna be so pissed. AZTV says, I'm gonna be so pissed if Bitcoin goes to 20K and I spent damn near 20K all year to get half a Bitcoin. I feel you. Just know you're not the only one out there, AZ. Frankie, I'm thankful for beans, rice, Jesus Christ, and Byron. Who? Byron. Bing bong. Okay. Let's see. Just put a 20x on Matic. Pray for me. Was it a long? 20x long? Good morning from Germany. Good morning, however you say that in German. All right, what do you want to see? Descending wedge on the 8, descending broadening edge on the 8 hour. Let's see. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know where this was. I never had it drawn. But I'm just going to try to find it for you. Yeah, I think that's what you're talking about. Something like that. Oof, baby. My voice is tired, guys. I'm not really tired. My voice wants to go to sleep, though. My voice is like, oh, it's a long on Matic. Yeah, you might get a nice little bounce. But be careful. Be careful. Hey, Rockstar Cola. Prayers and peace to you, too, my man. Especially in these times. Have a good night. Let me turn it off. Market cipher. I mean, these are rough lines here, but maybe, yeah. I mean, you're closing in inside of it still. I don't really know how accurate that's drawn. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, and I think that's what you're talking about. From 40K. 40K. Let's see here. Like that? Is that what you're talking about? I wish I knew exactly what you were talking about. Thank you for the awesome night sesh, Senor Frankie Bagels. Frankie Bagels Candles. Will do my best to hop on your regular time slot, and we'll be watching out for night sesh like this. Sleep easy, mate. Ryan, I appreciate you. Brian. See you next time. I thought of widening descending triangle wedge was bearish. Okay. What was the other thing we wanted to go over real quick? I forgot. Pumpski, baby. Jeremy, I see you. Adam says, thank you, Frankie. We all appreciate what you do. Now late into the night. Good night, all. I think I might have read that before. I'm going crazy, guys. We're at 2 hours, guys. I said we weren't going to have a 2-hour stream, but I think I am going to basically end it there. So, long story short, let's see if we can hold this spider line overnight. If we can, maybe looking for a bounce, maybe towards the golden pocket if we can get through this fib level. Looking for a bounce up to the golden pocket and then maybe bounce back off of it as resistance. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see if we can hold this spider line. And then, worst case scenario, we wake up and all the other markets dump us, guys. Worst case scenario. I mean, we come down to the summer lows. We're really not that far at this point. What's from here to, 30K is 15%. I mean, we just saw, that was 44. we just saw, 11, 10, 11%, just in this short period of time. So, we're getting close. We're getting close. So we'll see if we could get a nice bounce off this spider line. If we lose it, we could be going down to that purple box down here, just to give a little last Bitcoin, what levels we're looking for. So 34, 1, basically right here, that spider line. And then, down here in the low 30s would be the next area I'm looking at. But guys, how many viewers do we have? Let's just check real quick. Let it refresh. 117. All right, cool. You guys are winding down to 223 likes, guys. We almost hit our like goal of 250. So together we almost have 900 likes for the day. But yeah, guys, I really appreciate all of you signing on. I hope you guys were able to get a little bit of clarity of what's going on. And I hope you guys can see that what we talk about on the stream, it plays out. It plays out. This was a really great call that we made. I'm proud of that. We were able to see that on the charts today. And hopefully you guys were able to get some shorts in and make some of that money, make some of the bread, make some of those bagels, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you each and every one of you for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Until next time, guys. Until next time, that's all I got. Frankie Candles out.